Yun na nga mga ka-Quizzy, good news, naka-receive ako ng text galing kay GCash na na-increase na yung monthly wallet limit ko up to 500,000. So check natin. So as you can see, nag-increase na nga to 500,000.
Wow.
So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo how to increase it from 10,000 to 100,000 to 500,000 wallet limit. So wala nang intro pa, simulan na natin. Let's go! So, yun na nga mga ka-Quizzy. Kung kaka-create mo lang ng GCash mo at unverified ka pa lang, yung limit po natin dyan is 10,000 lang, habang yung monthly outgoing limit, incoming limit is 5,000 rin. So, once na-verify mo na yan, magiging 100k na siya. So, yung tanong dito ngayon is, paano mo siya mai-increase up to 500k? So, ganito po yung unang gagawin natin. Buksan ng GCash app, click profile, at mapupunta ka dito. Scroll down ka lang, click help at mapupunta ka dito. Click how can I increase my GCash wallet and transaction limits. So this is how to increase GCash wallet and transaction limit. First, dapat Philippine issued yung SIM card mo. Kapag abroad, hindi to gagana. Next is dapat at least 18 years old ka. So if yung GCash mo is GCash Junior, hindi pa rin magi-increase yung limit mo. So if Philippine-based ang SIM card mo and you're at least 18 years old at hindi GCash Junior yung cash wallet mo, you can now increase to 500k. So the first way to increase is to link your GCash wallet sa isa sa mga bangkong ito. BPI, Union Bank, Pioneer, and PayPal. Tanong, saan po ba malilink? To increase the GCash limit to 500k, balik tayo dito, click My Link Accounts, at mapupunta ka dito. Kung saan, if you link your GCash wallet sa isa sa mga bank na ito, like for me sa Union Bank, at nag-cash in ka ng any amount sa GCash app, by clicking cash in dito, search your link bank, and mag-successful cash in ka, you will be able to increase your limit up to 500,000 after 3 to 5 working days. Tanong, paano po kung walang BPI, UB, Pioneer, or PayPal? In that case, you can create a GSave account with CIMB. Paano? Balik tayo dito, click GSave, click CIMB, open a saving account, then deposit at least 100 pesos tulad ng ginawa ko. And after 3 to 5 working days, your limit sa GCash ay mag-i-increase ng 500,000. So paano po if I don't want to link any of this bank account nor create a CIMB account? In that case, you can create a GFund account with minimum investment of 100 pesos. So paano mag-invest? Balik tayo dito, click GInvest, and invest 100 pesos sa GFunds. Sa GFunds po at hindi po sa ibang funds. Ito lang po. And after 3 to 5 working days, makikita mo na mag-i-increase ang GCash limit mo up to 500,000. Kapag hindi nag-increase, you can message Gigi and follow up your wallet limit upgrade. Helpful ba ang video na ito para sa inyo? Ang gusto nyo din matutunan paano mag-convert ng iyong G-Credit to cash, mag-tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. O di kaya gusto mo matutunan how to convert your G-Gives to cash, mag-tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang, see you in my next video. Let's go!